my gosh, you guys, it's so cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joanna Crafts You. In this episode of Let's Chat Crafts, we are going to be unboxing a mold from one of my most favorite shops. I'm going to unbox with you today, and then I'm going to use the mold and add that to this video so you guys can see. I know already how beautiful her molds are just from what I've seen online. Her shop is beautiful, her website is beautiful. If you have time, check her out. I'll put her link in the description box below. I just love her aesthetic. I got an email directly from her shop when my item was shipped, when it was out for delivery, and when it was actually delivered. And I just cannot talk enough about how cute I think that her aesthetic of her website and her emails, her little logo is just adorable. I love it so much. So without further ado, this is our package. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so cute. Okay, so let's read. How to care for your rainbow silicone molds. This is, I cannot believe how cute this is. Like, I'm overwhelmed. Okay. Keep at room temperature out of direct sunlight. Do not wash in dishwasher. Never use abrasive sponges, toothbrushes, etc. to wash your mold. Never touch the cavity of your mold. It can create marks, fingerprints, and scratches. Never torch your mold while working with resin. It could cause your mold to melt and break. Clean glitter and resin residues with masking tape. Please read instructions on how to use resin on silicone molds. Not all resin products are ideal to use with silicone molds. My silicone molds are one-of-a-kind art. I love that. They are handmade items. So amazing. Each piece is handcrafted and are one-of-a-kind. However, I am not responsible for damages due to the misuse of your silicone mold. Please read instructions carefully before using your rainbow silicone mold. That seems to be standard instructions. Here, let's get into this first. There is candy in here. Kira molds. This is her card. It's just so cute. Like, oh my gosh, Gabby, you are just adorable. Like, I can't even handle it. And this, like, I don't want to be dumb. I think it's candy. It's not candy. Don't eat it, but it's super cute, whatever the frick it is. Oh my God. Okay, it's definitely not candy. It doesn't smell like candy, but it's just like a gummy little freaking cat. Like, this is just so cute. Okay, I bought an extra and it comes with one already. I didn't know how many I was gonna wanna make. These are mirrors that go, so this is a hand mirror that I actually ordered. You guys, I do not have a mold this large yet. I have another package of molds coming in that I'll be unboxing from another shop whom I already have a mold from. And those are all smaller molds. So this is like my first really big one. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous. It's flawless. There are no scratches on the mold. There is no loose hanging silicone. I mean, look at this attention to detail, you guys. There is layers, there's different layers of colored silicone. I don't know how she does this, but it has to be time consuming. So if you can see on the actual, oh shoot, bloopers. So if you can see on the actual, around this is the hand mirror, and then around there's like little bits. So it's a shaker mold that can be turned into a mirror. I always drop stuff during my unboxing videos. It's happened like every time. So I'm gonna just put this here so you guys can see how the mirror, and it's got like a film on it, so it will be more like a mirror when it's done. In summary, this is the most gorgeous mold I've ever seen in my life. Gabby, you are amazing. I'm going to order from you again. I can't wait to use this mold.